How many times a day do you hear from men how lovely you are? You know?
Many times.
Many times?
Yes. Beauty secret, thank you mom and dad for the amazing DNA, thank you.
A Lima aqui comigo, uma das modelos mais badaladas brasileiras e aqui na temporada fashion super solicitada. Tudo bem, Adriana?
Tudo bem, obrigada.
Vai dar um look já.
What? The show was in the subway. The show was in the subway? With the rest?
Great. Yesterday I did Gucci, and today Fendi, so...
All the big shows.
Hope so.
A gente sabe que você é o esteio do sucesso das suas filhas, em especial da nossa Gisele Bündchen.
Não da minha mãe!
Aí, chegou a Gisele. Diga.
Minha mãe tá uma fria nesse momento. Venha, mãe. Tô brincando.
A sua mãe não está sendo incomodada, a sua mãe está sendo homenageada pelo que ela fez, não só por você, mas pelas suas irmãs também.
Olha, a minha mãe, eu só quero falar uma coisa da minha mãe. Ela é a melhor mãe do mundo. Nota 1000, não existe nenhuma melhor que ela.
Que bonitinho.
Só isso que eu sei falar. Mãe, eu ganhei uma flor de Campos do Jordão, dou pra ti, ó.
Ah, que bonitinho. Isso aqui é filha?
Não, isso aqui é mãe, isso aqui é mãe.
Você não fica com saudades lá longe, quando você tá desfilando? Você não fica pensando, ai, que bonitinho. Você não fica com saudade, Gisele? Olha pra minha câmera um pouquinho.
O que é que vocês querem? Como da minha mãe? Olha, da minha mãe, por favor, né? Não tem como não sentir saudade, mas eu sou uma pessoa que precisa trabalhar. Então me desculpa, mas
é verdade.
A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, you know?
É verdade que você daqui 2 anos está pensando em parar de ser top model? Eu li em algum lugar isso, eu queria confirmar.
Ó, eu não leio o futuro, então eu não sei exatamente o que eu vou fazer. Mas eu sei que eu tô parando 6 meses agora.
Vai parar por 6 meses?
6 meses. E o resto...
Só Deus sabe. Você acredita muito nele?
100%.
Kelly, lá fora nesse último semestre, o que aconteceram de trabalhos, os principais para ti?
Os últimos trabalhos antes de sair do Brasil, eu fiz a campanha do perfume do Lanvin com Steven Meisel, eu fiz a campanha do Versace Jeans, eu fiz a campanha do Versace normal, eu fiz a campanha do Ralph Lauren, do Tigabana, esses eram os últimos meses estavam sendo fotografados. E daí bastante editorial, fiz a capa da W, que eu fiz a recém já saiu, nem acreditei. Estou para fazer esse projeto da Big Magazine, tive que ficar 10 dias em Londres para fotografar, que são 20 fotógrafos diferentes. Então eu estava lá uma boa parte do tempo, assim.
Since you started?
Patience is key. Yeah, I'm still learning. But like if they're putting like makeup in your leg and you have pants and you're like, but I have pants, and like they're not listening to you, like, you just have to be patient.
For clothes or shopping for furniture, do you think?
They're both very hard for me. I hate shopping in general. I'm getting so tired. When I'm going shopping, I'm buying like a lot in one day. So I don't need to go for like three next weeks. I hate shopping. I'm not patient.
Do you have any talent, darling? Do you sing, paint?
Of course, talent. I'm doing everything, but people don't appreciate it, so.
Don't appreciate it?
No, like...
You're an athletic girl, huh?
I'm trying, yeah. I like to be active.
Parties?
No, I don't have much time to do that because fittings taking like nights. But I like to go out. When I'm going out hard. Before party, and after party. Which kind of guy attracts me? I don't know. No one at this moment.
Guys like you.
No idea. No one says me anything, so I don't know, seriously. I'm a single now, so just changed my hair color, how you see?
Yes.
Now I become a little bit whiter. I did that for show. No, I feel great. I think it's good to change sometimes. Refresh the image.
Blondes have more fun, is that?
Exactly, but I can't go more blonder than this.
They're quoting friends, you know, unacknowledged friends, saying, well, that quote about the clock ticking and so on. I mean...
Of course it's ticking, and of course once you're on the top, where are you going to go? There's nowhere to go after you're at the top. I'm not stupid, and I'm not worried. I've done everything I wanted to do. I've gotten everything I wanted to get, and I'm not bitter. I had a really good time, and I'm still going.
What are you most excited about eating after the show?
What? No, guys, but not with this kind of questions. This is stupid. Ask more smart questions, not eating after the show.
All right. Okay, fair enough.
No, but this is, you make me look like an idiot.
No, of course not.
Yeah, but it seems like I'm starving myself and I can't wait for the show to end to eat.
No, I know you guys work really hard. This is the culmination of
okay, guys.
Kanye's US Vogue cover, given that you have been on the cover yourself countless times?
I do not want to comment.
Why? Why?
Because I'm a fashion model and I've been working for 28 years. And when you get a Vogue cover, it's a build in your career, it's a stepping stone to achieve that. And, you know, I'm a fashion model, so what more can I say?
So you think that Kim and Kanye haven't earned the right to be on the cover of Vogue?
Those are your words. I'm being politically correct. That's Anna Wintour's choice to put them on the cover of her magazine. Who's to question it?
Controversial behavior, which almost everyone who knows her seems to describe with one word. Naomi, I have never, ever started an interview this way. But you know that people call you a bitch.
Yeah.
And you don't mind.
No, I do mind. I think that, for me, a woman that's in control of her work or makes decisions or is very opinionated is called a bitch. And I think that a man, when he's like that, is called nothing. It's fine. But, I mean, being a bitch, for me, if that's what people think of me as, has protected me in so many ways.
Modeling is a lot of things. Like for some people, modeling is like, you know, do Prada show, but some girls, they're in Asia doing like some refrigerators campaigns, you know.
Yeah, different level.
Of course, sometimes I'm like, oh my God, guys, please don't touch me. But I know it's my job. It's fine.
Я не знаю, полюбляєте ви троянди, але сподіваюся, зі святом вас.
Спасибо большое.
Привітати.
Спасибо.
I don't have an in-studio audience here with us today, so I'm going to ask you at home to please help me welcome Naomi.
Where could this be quiet? I know.
Thank you. But first of all, Naomi, I want to thank you for coming here. This is not easy for me. I know it's not easy for you too, especially with so many years and years of.
But I thought it was a good idea.
What did you think because I didn't want to call you personally because I wanted the first time for us to see each other. It's been a while.
I didn't want to see you before the show because I think it's better to be fresh. But I'm happy to be here. I'm really happy, and I said yes right away.
Yeah.
Later on in life, or maybe what you want to do later, work-wise?
I will save the planet. Yes.
Wow. How are you going to do that?
We will see. It's my secret.